Join me as I put the garlic and honey cloves remedy to the test and see if it really works. For centuries, people have turned to natural remedies to tackle common health issues. And one remedy that's been gaining attention is the combination of garlic and honey. This ancient folk medicine has been used to soothe a variety of ailments, from colds and coughs to digestive issues. But does it really work? Colds and coughs are among the most common health complaints, and many of us are on the lookout for effective, natural ways to manage them. Pharmaceutical remedies can be harsh on the body, and we're often left feeling under the weather for days on end. That's why so many people are turning to natural remedies like garlic and honey. They offer a gentler approach to health and wellness, and they often come with fewer side effects. But what makes garlic and honey such a powerful combination? Garlic, for instance, is known for its antimicrobial properties. It contains compounds that have been shown to fight off bacteria, viruses, and even fungi. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural humectant that can help soothe a sore throat and calm a cough. When you combine the two, you get a remedy that's both soothing and protective. The antibacterial properties of garlic are particularly interesting. They can help combat the underlying infections that often cause colds and coughs. Honey's soothing effects can then help calm the symptoms, making it easier to breathe, swallow, and rest. Together, they create a 1-2 punch that's hard to beat. I've come across some amazing stories from people who've used this remedy, and one that really stands out is from a friend who swears by it for her kids. She says that whenever they get a cold, she makes them a garlic and honey syrup, and within days, they're back to their normal selves. Of course, anecdotal evidence isn't the same as scientific proof, but it's definitely compelling. Studies have also looked into the benefits of garlic and honey. One study found that a compound in garlic was able to reduce the severity of cold symptoms, while another found that honey was just as effective as over-the-counter cough medicines in soothing a cough. In short, the combination of garlic and honey seems to offer a natural, effective way to manage common health complaints. With its antimicrobial properties and soothing effects, it's no wonder that this remedy has been gaining popularity. If you've had any experience with garlic and honey remedies, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. And if you're interested in more natural health solutions, be sure to subscribe for more wellness tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.